this video, I'm going to show you how you can add morale patches to your Dodge Ram by adding a Velcro strip to your glove box. So first thing I do is I have this all-purpose cleaner. A lot of dashes are cleaned with some sort of silicone-based thing to make the dashes look shiny. So you want to get rid of that. Nothing can stick to that, okay? So we're going to use this cleaner. And then just wipe that off really good. I open it up, get all the edges. I'm only going to put it, I think, up here, not down here. So really just focus on this upper part. Maybe do it 2 times. All the normal cleaners that you use on your interior have some sort of silicone or something that makes it shiny, and you need to get all of that off. An all-purpose cleaner, excuse me, seems to work best. Don't inhale it or it'll make you cough. Okay, next you're going to want to clean that with some invisible cleaner to just get all the final residue. Okay, so before I put this all together, I confirmed I have a patch here. Okay, I want to make sure this is the side you want to stick to that. So we're going to cut out a template. I need to decide if I want to wrap it around the edge or not. I'm hoping that all these creases come out. So let's go ahead and wrap it over the edge here. We could probably trim this when we're all said and done, so I'll just do a rough cut, a little bit bigger than our glove box. Okay, so just line this up close where you want it. I'm going to peel this back first, and we're going to slowly apply this. That way we don't have any mistakes. I'm going to try to get it as straight as possible. Okay, so next peel it back like this, and then get this as lined up as possible. Okay, just lightly put it on there. Make sure it's fairly straight. I can tell that it's already starting to dip down a little bit, so I'm just going to readjust so that we are right on the top edge. Like that. Okay, we're going to push that down like that. All right. Now we're going to peel this back. Let's go about halfway. And I'm pulling this tight, making sure it's lined up where I want it. Pulling tight. I'm going to use my Bondo spreader. Okay. Peeling back some more. Same thing, I'm pulling this tight. Helps get those creases out. Looks like I got a crease right there, so we're just gonna peel it up again. And then I'll peel the rest. There we go. Open this if you need to. funny because it looks like this Velcro isn't straight because I have the top lined up pretty well, but it's actually curving down on the bottom here. Maybe that's just from me stretching it. Alright. Maybe we'll see if we can trim that nice and straight here. Okay, got a fresh razor blade. So we're just gonna very carefully, I'm gonna try not to cut down into the glove box. Perfect. I'm just gonna try to cut a nice straight line all the way down. Perfect. And here's the final product. I really like how it turned out. Like I said, I did it on my last truck. I'll put a link to the this product here, the Velcro with the sticky back. Comes in a roll. Do not put any of that up here. This is where your airbag comes out of. So if you put that over there, you could hinder your airbag from coming out. So I do want to say that now. But this stuff sticks really well. Just try to put it on as straight as possible. I did have to trim it out to make it look nice and straight. I may add more in the future, but this is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content from Dirty Truck Performance.